how the room looks, and I want to show you the best part of this room. This is the best part of the room. And what's more crazier is, wait. Yep, let me remove this. And this way is the door. And this balcony. This is the view. And also there's a sitting place here. And there we go. Hey guys, welcome back to Run Ram Ram. Hope you enjoyed the first 2 days of our Hampi series vlog. Right now we are on day 3 and we are at Badami. This place is 150 kilometers away from Hampi, and it's good that the roads are really amazing because it's an NH most of the way, and very little hiccups here and there. But keeping that aside, this place is totally worth the 150 kilometers.
Beautiful rock cut temple in India, rock cut temple in Badami. So have a look. That is the opposite is a North Hill. North Hill, just you feel like a red Grand Canyon. It's amazing rocks. Like you have in your state also Gandikota.
Right.
So you feel little bit looks like a Gandikota. I told previously like Grand Canyon, that is just natural. That is also tourist point, but we have a historical monument. So these are all made by great Chalukya dynasty 1400 years back. So previously Chalukya dynasty was ruled from Ayvali, after that Badami. Exactly Badami 540 AD, Badami Chalukyan second capital. Those days they made here 4 rock cut temple. This is the first one what we see is a giant. King Corridor. You travel in India, would you like to see this type of rock cut temple more than 150? So the biggest rock cut temple in India, Ellora, Kailasanath rock cut temple. Except Kailasanath rock cut temple, I hope this is one beautiful rock cut temple in India. How it is now, have a look, this looks like a king corridor, like a king parliament. So king seated on the throne. Outside pillars are one type of pillar, inside pillar looks like a palace pillar. The Vishnu third incarnation looks like a human body, wild boar first, then he holding goddess of earth. Then here have a look properly. King's Cobra family, they worshipping to Lord Vishnu. But the most important of Chalukya, the wild boar, was the monogram of Chalukya dynasty.
It's from the second cave. Once you start climbing up to the second cave, right opposite to the cave, you can see the North Hill, like he said. And what's crazy is there are 2 rocks. And between the 2 rocks, I don't know how, they aligned the temples exactly in between the 2 rocks. Let me show that to you.
First one here is a dedicated Shiva, center, second and third Vishnu, the last one is Jain. I told that we are the last cave, the top of the hill, so the Jain cave. So the Jain cave and this one same time they made. 543 after first Pulkesi was made this rock cut temple. It's a dedicated Shiva. Then how you recognize the Shiva? You holding in his hand trident, so the doorkeeper, the Dwarapalaka, so easy to recognize the Shiva temple. Then have a look, this is a dancing Shiva, Nataraja. Normally in India, Nataraja sculpture, 10 arms, 8 arms, 4 arms. But the first time Chalukyan artist was made here, left side 9, right side 9. 1800 Nataraja. You know why Chalukyan artist was made here 18 arms? Because last 2000 years ago in our South India, the famous classical dance Bharatanatyam. Still Bharatanatyam is the famous classical dance of in our India. Bharatanatyam has a main dancing movement, 81 posture. So the all 81 dancing movements we see here. Just you do permutation combination, 9 into 9 or 9 cross 9. All 81 dancing movement we see here. Then Nandi, Ganesha, then Ganesha brother, Kartik or Subramanya, he beating the drum also. But this is a 5-head cobra. Just please come this side. This is a Harihara. Hari means Vishnu, Hara means Shiva. So the hawk belongs to Vishnu holding in his hand Sishal. Hawk belongs to Shiva holding in his hand actual snake. Then Parvati, then Lakshmi, Nandi and Garuda. 2 gods with wife and vehicle. So the Nandi is a vehicle of Lord Shiva, but looks animal, but looks like a human body. Face is Nandi. The Garuda is one of the bird, looks like a human body. Some wings are here. So they wanted to say through this sculpture so many names of God, but God is only one. So they made this one.
Badami is a must-visit place if you have come to Hampi. Though it's a 150 kilometers drive, it is worth it. But after being done there, we are planning to complete our trip for today by seeing Patadikal as well as Aihole, which are like 15 to 20 minutes away from here, both of the places, but they are completely worth it. You're going to see why. But it's better to have the lunch in Badami itself because there are not many places on the way and there are not many places in Badami itself. So Clarkson is a really good place to have a quick lunch and continue your voyage. You guys have seen Badami. Yes, Badami was a really good place, but if you're not physically fit, if you're not ready to climb up too many stairs and all, you might want to rethink about Badami. But this place behind me, something that you can't miss. It's an easy to reach place, lovely roads and beautiful architecture. Yes, you might be thinking that it's a leisure trip. I don't want to travel from Hampi. I just want to stay in Hampi. But I want you guys to think twice because this structure here looks far more complete than what I've seen in Hampi. Like every detail is still present out there, and when it looks, the skyline is so beautifully visible, green grass beneath, and these structures, they're perfectly scenic and it's not something that you can miss. So let's go a little closer and actually see what all is still intact there. Come in. Actually, Virupaksha temple, that is the main temple of this lot, and I am really happy and it feels fortunate that this temple is still intact and pujas are still going on, and this temple has actually got religious importance still. So ideally, I don't think they'll allow us to shoot inside there, but it's actually really good. It's really huge compared to the other ones. Let me show you how the temple looks and how it looks right in front of the temple now. So we have reached Aihole, but unfortunately we have reached after 6 p.m. So that Durga temple right behind us is closed. So that's it for this vlog, guys, but it's not the end for the Hampi series. We are going to continue with few more vlogs in this series. Do watch out for the next vlogs where we would be covering some more interesting places like Sanapur Lake, Anjanadri Hill, I hope I got that name right, and Rishimukh Parvat, and many more. So stay tuned, wait until the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know how you felt about this video in the comment section below, and if you have any queries about Hampi, do mention it in the comment section below. And also I'll be sharing the details of this place in the description box below. Bye.